Apex News, India, Northeast.
नमस्ते, मैं हूं दीपिका दे और आप सभी देख रहे हैं एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। आइए एक नजर डालते हैं आज के हेडलाइंस पर। अब खबरें आगे।
I pledge that I will take all efforts in my capability to make Meghalaya drug free. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So that is my suggestion. So thank you for your support to the Kustamritan. We need actually, sir, more counselor in
Yeah.
our.
We will work on that.
Thank you.
As I said, it's a process. So obviously we can't do everything in one go, but this is how we learn and we become better.
Round of applause to these prominent citizens of the state. Veer Singh, President of the Sikh community. Last but not the least,
I am from Life Care Foundation, Mokruat. Thank you, sir, for the time given to us. I just want to tell you that we are a 15 seat capacity, but since the beginning of the rehabilitation and counseling center, the center has not been full. And we've been talking to the community, to people around, but those who are addicted are not willing to come to the center. Now, we've been working, we've been telling people around that we have a
So you see that they are giving to Telangana CM also. Yeah. So good to see the products now packaged, this manner. This is the biggest issue. Wonderful. So they should. You're also putting a processing units and all now.
No, sir, we don't have it.
We have to put a processing units, and the user produces a lot of ginger, right? That's what we can do because the
यहाँ रुकेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए। कुछ और खबरों के साथ मिलेंगे ब्रेक के बाद। देखते रहिए अपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया।
Welcome to Green Haven, Shillong. Hidden among Meghalaya's misty hills, Green Haven, Shillong invites you to slow down and reconnect. Indulge in luxurious comfort, stunning views, heartfelt hospitality, and the serenity of nature. Discover a stay that's more than a getaway. It's an experience, where every stay feels like coming home.
किचन में चीजें जितनी भी प्रेडिक्टेबल हो, फॉर्च्यून सोया बड़ी से आपको कुछ नया ही मिलेगा। फॉर्च्यून सोया बड़ी, बनाओ कुछ हटके।
स्वागत है फिर से आप सभी का। चलिए देखते हैं बाकी की खबरें।
देखो, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे पूना में भी केस हुआ है, तो वो केस पूरा अपने घर जैसा हुआ है। जैसे राजा के साथ हुआ था, सोनम ने मतलब प्लानिंग बनाई थी, सोनम ने कहानी रची थी, राजा को खाई में मतलब मार के फेंका था। इसी तरीके से मतलब उसने सिया ने भी मतलब वही की वही मतलब प्लानिंग बनाई है, और सिया ने भी उसी तरह से मतलब वो बच्चे को खाई में फेंका है, चेतन को। जैसे ये खबर मैंने देखी थी ना, तो मेरे को एकदम से मतलब उसी तरीके से मतलब लगा, जिस तरीके से मेरे राजा का लगा था ना, उसी तरीके से मेरे को ये केस लगा था कि मतलब देखो, मेरे राजा को ऐसा फेंका था, फिर से इस लड़की ने ऐसा राजा इसको फेंका, चेतन को। तो मतलब चेतन को कि है ना, आज मेरे ऊपर बीत रही थी, तो मैं जानती हूँ कि आज मैं किस तरीके से गुजरी थी, और आज उस माँ का हाल मैं समझ सकती, उस माँ का दर्द भी समझ सकती, क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर बीता, मैं वो दर्द को अभी तक नहीं भूली हूँ। तो उस माँ का दर्द मैं आज पूरे तरह से समझ सकती हूँ कि जो मेरे बेटे के साथ हुआ वो उसके बेटे के साथ नहीं होना था, क्योंकि बहुत गलत हुआ है कि ऐसी लड़की मतलब बहुत धिक्कार है मेरे को ऐसी लड़की उनके ऊपर। किस कारण से मतलब कि ये मतलब सगाई छोड़ना है तो छोड़ दो ना, शादी नहीं करना है तो मत करो, मगर किसी के बेटे को मत मारो। तुमको जहाँ करना वहाँ करो, और अपने माँ बाप से खुल के बात करो, मगर है ना जो भी आपको करना वो अपने माँ बाप से बोलो, मगर किसी के बेटे को मारने को इनको कोई हक नहीं है, ऐसी लड़की उनको। और ऐसी लड़की उनको तो हाथ के साथ ही मतलब मार दिया जाना चाहिए, ना इनको फांसी सुनाई जा रही, ना मारा जा रहा, ना कोई सजा सुनाई जा रही है ऐसी लड़की को। और सोनम है तो वो बेल पे मतलब बाहर चल रही है, तो सोनम को बाहर रहने से भी मतलब बहुत फर्क पड़ रहा है। ये लड़की उनको मतलब क्योंकि इनको से मिल रही है कि सोनम जैसी लड़की मतलब इतनी मतलब कितनी बेरहमी से उसने तो हत्या करवाई थी राजा की, साथ में खड़े होके करी थी उसने। तो ये लड़की बाहर घूम सकती, तो हम क्यों नहीं घूम सकते हैं? हम भी थोड़े दिन में बाहर आ जाएंगे अगर पकड़े जाएंगे तो। इनको पहली बात तो डर नहीं रहता है पकड़ाने का, और अगर गलती से हम पकड़ा भी गए हैं तो हम भी बाहर आ जाएंगे। जब सोनम बाहर आ सकती तो हम भी बाहर आ सकते हैं।
The buck has to stop somewhere, and the buck at this time has to stop with the education minister, the union minister. I think it's very important that we stick to that, and the government also takes it, shows at least that it takes it a lot more seriously than what it has been doing. We also say that that whatever leakage that has happened in the past, I think there should be a time-bound investigation towards the various leakages that has happened, because the public needs to know, the students needs to know, and especially people who are aspiring, because then you'll build the confidence level amongst the students as far as students is concerned, because I think it's been eroding, and it's eroded quite heavily right now. So most of the students have given up on the system itself. Full disclosure of the Radhakrishnan committee recommendations were actually implemented. So with that we have to know. Restructuring and replacement of the NTA with a transparent, accountable, properly staffed body, right? As I think Balang has mentioned earlier, that it's more or less everything seems to be heading down to commercialization.
It is.
And the BJP is more interested in actually making money from each and every system that might exist. And I think that is something that needs to be looked at more seriously. And the NTA, definitely a restructuring of the NTA is a legitimate demand from our side.
Waves away the faint claims of a Norway penalty. Mbappe. Right enough to work it through towards Dembele, but he wants to...
Ready? Okay, I'm standing here at Chief Minister World Cup Fan Park 2026, and this is the first time that Meghalaya have organized such a huge event. Let's just talk to one of the organizers first, and we'll get to the details. Hello sir, can you just tell us about this World Cup Fan Park?
So this is one of the first fan park in all of the Northeast. This is Chief Minister World Cup Fan Park. It's all about bringing football fans together. This is a great initiative by our Honorable Chief Minister. So with this initiative, we are boosting a lot of sports tourism, and as well as, we are giving youth a platform to, watch the live screening of World Cup, and we bring all the football fans together. We also support local businesses out here. We have food stalls and entertainment. So yeah.
Okay, so what kind of response did you see since it started from yesterday?
So the first live screening was screened yesterday between the first game, Norway versus France, and it was, we saw a really good response. So we saw a lot of crowd coming in, and the atmosphere was really electric, I would say.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Excited.
तो आप लोग कितना आदमी आया सब देखने के लिए?
3 लोग आया।
कहाँ से?
यहाँ से।
शिलोंग के ही? अच्छा, तो आप लोग फुटबॉल बहुत पसंद है?
हाँ पसंद।
तो ऐसा वाला अरेंजमेंट जो यहाँ में किया,
हाँ।
तो क्या बोलना चाहता है यहाँ का जो जैसे सीएम है, क्या बोलना चाहता है उनको क्या?
We are very thankful to our CM. That's all.
पहले ये बताइए।
हम लोग चूरा से आए हैं।
अच्छा,
अभी
मेघालय से।
हाँ। आप लोग कैसा लगा अभी ये अरेंजमेंट देख के? अच्छा लगा। हम लोगों को बहुत खुश हुआ।
It's very good. Everything is well.
पहली बार हो रहा है ऐसा। For this, we would like to thank Chief Minister Conrad Sangma for organizing these things. Are you both we are happy of this type of?
Yeah, we're very happy.
Yesterday to see by yourself how is the extent of damage and how is the feeling of the people, how is the emotion of the people connected with the fear. And yesterday we have visited some of the dwelling houses have been damaged by the elephants, and these have been assessed, and the reports will be sending to the department, and the department will send to the government in the course of time. And yesterday I was also happy with the Protection Wildlife Department that we were there together to do some demonstration how to repel the elephants when they come near the villages, how to protect. They have demonstrated some of the technologies, how to repel the elephants when they come by wrapping the powdered chilies with the dry chilies in a roll shape in a sack, and they burn, and the smoke will send the smell to the elephants, and the elephants cannot tolerate, and they have to go away from that places. There's some of the techniques they have shown, and I have instructed them also to do all this demonstration and training to be imparted to the people in the respective villages, not only in one place. And I think they will take this initiative to do this demonstration in every villages. So, and I also told them to see that you should also dispel the fear from the fear, because the farmers and the people, they fear of the big animals. Of course, the elephants are not aggressive. Once it is not provocated, it is not aggressive. So to know how to tame, how to
आज मैं 18 वेस्ट शिलोंग असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से हूँ। मैं आज मेरा सपोर्टर साथ में ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ एज वन ऑफ द एस्पायरिंग कैंडिडेट फ्रॉम 18 वेस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी।
Okay, so how many participants are joining along with you?
So along with me around 400 participants.
Okay, so do you think like this kind of movement will be a very strong, will make BJP in a very strong position?
Yeah, definitely. If everybody will join, definitely it will make a very strong with the BJP, not only for the 18 West, in the other constituency also.
Okay, so why BJP? Why have you chosen BJP?
Because BJP choose there's a nation first and inclusiveness. There's a difference than other parties, very much.
Okay, so just introduce yourself. How many years of
okay, I'm not. My name is Homnath Gautam. I'm born and brought up in Upper Moblem only, and this is my first political journey I'm taking today. And before that, I was in the RSS from the last 25 years.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Oman lah hijau ipor kamu advisor yang ka mining and geology department. Ka jingicem ko yang I to halor kawi ka benta. Hadin wa ka NGT dekhang gaya umuyong haw arajar khatso. Hadin ite hawa da sedang transport ya uni umuyong ma wada depti. Tenakiliang ka NGT da pak gaya ka state government wa chna kawi ka fund. Ka watip kam ka Meghalaya Environment Restoration and Protection Fund. Apa ka guideline yang kini ka fund daklam che ka boto ya kini ka pisa wa collect na kini ki chalan mo 5% na kawi ka chalan ya kini ka pisa to open kam ne benta o restore ya ka environment ka wada jot ka wada pra hakitu ki thau ki wada ka jingti ya muyong hakitu ki por te wa ar ni tala ya kini ka fund da chna o da chna karpang ni benta wa aging irap dan ne kam ka rehabilitation chakitu ki bru le ne ki yung ki sem ki wada.
खबरों में आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। धन्यवाद।
Apex News, India, Northeast.